Presenting can be scary, but with the right tools and training, you can have the confidence to address a crowd of any size. Breakthrough Change deliver training to high-performance teams across the world. And here at Harley Davidson, John Walsh is helping staff improve their presentations.
So I've been learning how to structure presentations. It's great because we've been given an acronym intro, which has really helped me in terms of introducing presentations.
I feel that it's really given me the confidence to be able to deliver a presentation effectively. I now feel that I have the structure and know how to put into place an effective presentation.
Video makes up a key part of the training, giving participants the chance to view their own performances in the light of the expert feedback and advice they have been given.
It's a very good learning experience. I think without the cameras the effect will be completely different, because now you really see the difference before and after the course, in the beginning and after a few days, and it's the best way to see how you improve.
So in terms of there being video cameras in the room, at first it was a little bit intimidating, but I felt that after a while it became very easy and I didn't even notice them. But actually being able to look back at myself on the video camera was really useful. I found out a lot just by being able to look back at my behaviour and how my body language was. Some of the things that I said on camera, a very, very useful process.
After the 2-day course, all of those who took part learned valuable new skills that would help them in their future presentations.
And when we see the results we had now after 2 days, it's really impressive to see the difference of behavior, of structuring the presentations. It's really a big improvement in only a few days.
It's helped build my confidence when I'm standing in front of people. It's given me some tips on what things to do and what's best not to do, and it's just given me some ideas moving forward on how I can improve.